Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here, and I'm so excited that I am filming this video. I've wanted to do it for a very long time. My introduction video to YouTube and to me and to my channel. So thank you for being here. A little bit about myself. My name is Jenny Manno and I have been a teacher for over 20 years. And a little over a year ago, I realized that I have pretty much been a teacher my whole life. It's been a role that I've fallen naturally into, so I'm very excited to be here on YouTube and use this platform to share it with millions upon millions of people, to take them on this journey with me. And if there's one person out there, 2, 3, 1,000, whoever it is, how much it is that I inspire to move forward, I'm in. It's very exciting. As a teacher of me, I'm all about moving people forward, inspiring and assisting and helping them grow artistically, which in turn affects every part of our lives, every facet of our lives. Be able to express yourself in one form. I don't care if it's art, singing, dance, music, instrument, whatever it is. I think it's imperative that we all have some form of way to express. So my form is creativity in the arts, and I have every Tuesday I upload a How To Tuesday video, and in that video I show, depending on what week it is, I'll show a technique, I'll show a new medium, I'll show a style, I'll share an artist inspiration, whatever it is. But it's incredibly fun for me. I'm having a blast, and I hope you guys too. So thank you for being here. If you like the idea of this page, please like and subscribe and share. Be sure to click that bell. So if you click the bell, I don't know if you know, if you click the bell, it personalizes and you get personal notifications on either your phone or your computer that I have uploaded my next video and sharing something new with you, hopefully, to the world. Please leave comments and questions in my videos. I'm very excited to get to know people. I'd love to connect. So this is also another perfect reason to have this platform and to work with. I do have a page on Facebook called Next Generation Art, and I do at least 2 weekly challenges. I throw up a weekly challenge and or prompt every week. So if you're someone who works best with prompts or is tired of trying to come up with something and wants to occasionally work from a prompt, that's the place for you. Join us over there. It's an incredible community, and super supportive, really wonderful, fun, loving, like-minded souls that enjoy creating and being creative together. So yeah, thanks for being here, and I'm very excited.